How to use Cyberdojo for web development practice. Cyberdojo is not just for algorithms. You can practice web development too. And let's see how to do it. Choose exercises focused on JavaScript, HTML, or CSS. Use the editor panel to write code and test feature using run test. Check the output panel for results and refine your code until everything works as expected. Break wave exercises into sections. Structure HTML first, style with CSS, then add JavaScript functionality. Are you more interested in front end or back end exercises? Let us know about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Cyberdojo for web development practice. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.